Hey y'all, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. I'm doing a bit of recording today, getting some stuff recorded and in the can to release in metered fashion to help get the YouTube algorithms greased up and going. Today, I'm going to call it a mail call because it was a gift. To me, a stash ad is something that I buy, and a mail call is something that I didn't buy. Whether that's a gift, whether that's winning a giveaway, like the previous one I did from Zippy and the resin engine that I'm still got mulling around in the back of my head. So the story on this, it's been a long, hard year. My nephew and I have been supporting each other through a difficult time. And he was 20, 21, 22. I don't remember. My nephew Jon. Hey Jon. Love you, buddy. Yeah. We've been leaning on each other a lot and trying to help each other survive a difficult situation. And I'm gonna have to hurry up because my phone is on 5% battery. So let me see if I can cruise through this. He wanted to do something special for me for Valentine's Day and my birthday, which are boom boom. Valentine's Day the 14th, my birthday the 15th. He asked me what I'd want as a gift, and he wanted to do something special. So I gave him a list of, I don't remember how many, I think 10 model kits, different unique ones, just so that I wouldn't accidentally buy any of what he might get in the meantime of him finding them and shipping them. And he did a very good job. Jon, you did a very good job. This is what he got. Heller, Massey Ferguson, 2680. Yeah, I'm going to have fun with this one. I've got a thing for tractors, by the way. Cars, motorcycles, tractors, yeah. And anything automotive-ish, pretty much. To me, a Honda CBR 1000 RR-R. Fireblade SP. This is the 30th anniversary edition. That makes me feel really old, and I'm going to have to do some looking because I didn't know the Fireblade. I'm going to have to figure that out. Or maybe it's just a CB 1000 race ready anniversary, 30th anniversary. So this is a different color scheme. Well, the color scheme's still the same mostly. The patterns are different. Because I want the other one too. Of the original Fireblade kit. Trying to hurry here and make it a short video for a change. Where'd the other one go? There it is. This one, most people never liked this vehicle in real life. Most people probably don't like the kit. I do. This is an Aoshima Fujimi Nissan Cube. I love these things. Where's that? Does it show it? It doesn't show it. That window that goes across the back that only has it's got the pillar on the I think the left hand side. Dude, these things are so cute and cool and unique. I love them. So that's it, and these are all brand new, bought for me. Thank you, Jon. I love you, man. Hopefully we can get together sometime. I live in Kansas City. Jon lives in Minnesota, Rochester. Studying to be a nurse. I love you, man. I hope I'm here for you if you need, and I hope you're doing good. The rest of you, I don't think I am going to ask a question. If you're going through difficult times and you see my videos, feel free to email me. Feel free to reach out if you need a shoulder to lean on or an ear to listen. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I'll see you next time. Peace out.